Hi. I'm outside today, so there might be a little bit of like bird noises, etc. Because I'm out in my backyard. I set up a little sheet here so I can show off everything to you. But today I'm back with another Princess Polly haul. I know you're not surprised. I have a bunch of pieces to show you today, and I'm really excited. I think you'll really like everything I got. It's all very spring and summery. Yeah, I came outside today because the weather was nice, and it's a little cloudy, but it's perfect because normally this wall is in like full harsh sun, and so today I got some nice even lighting for this video. I hope you guys have been doing well. I've just been hanging around the house for a while, just like everybody else I think in quarantine, but my online shopping addiction is being fed, and Princess Polly is always so kind to me, and so they are definitely feeding my clothing addiction right now. I got a bunch of new pieces. I think you're gonna love them, so I think we should just get started. First and foremost, Princess Polly did give me a discount code. As always, you guys know, as always, I have a discount code. This time my code is Georgia20 for 20% off your order. Yeah, definitely get on that discount code and save your coin. They also offer free 2-day express shipping on orders over $50. They also offer AfterPay to all US customers, which is also super fun if you're looking to spend like a big buck and revamp your wardrobe. So I think we can just get started. I'm really excited about this. I've been like clothing creativity, my creativity for creating outfits right now has been like super stunted. Every day I try to like put on a cool outfit and I just like can't do it. I don't know what's wrong with me, but these clothes have definitely helped like re-stimulate my creativity. So I'm really excited to show you everything. Everything's super trendy and spring and summery, and I think you guys will love it. So to start out, I'm just gonna start with the top I'm wearing. I know this has been on the site for a while, so some of you may have seen it before. It's just this little angel baby tank. It has this little blue graphic design on the front, and it's just like a simple white tank top, super stretchy, super comfortable. It also has like a little bit of that like lettuce edge, super subtle, but I love it. And I got this one in a size 0, but it could fit, like it's a stretchy tank, so I think this is super fun. I just posted an Instagram picture in this the other day, and a few of you asked where it was from, so the audience is loving it already. But yeah, I really like it. It's just an easy throw-on tank for any pair of pants. Like literally, you can put this with anything and it would look cute. Moving on, I have like literally all of my clothes sitting out here. Next, I have this little guy. I brought everything out on hangers today, so it made me feel kind of bougie, like I'm really good at making hauls. So this one is super cute. As you can see, it like ties right here. Silky pink cheetah print little top. I love these for summer, the little stringy ones with ties. It just like has such an effortless vibe. Super cute, super lightweight, silky, and I feel like it has a little bit of that like lingerie inspired trend that we have going on. Almost like a little camisole or something. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the fabric is so cute, and cheetah print is back again. I wasn't expecting it after last year. I was like, no, cheetah print's not my thing anymore, and then it resurfaced this year and I'm still loving it again. So especially in prints like this where it's really subtle, but it has a bit of a shine, and yeah, I'm just loving this one. I think I got this in a extra small is what the tag says, but probably a US 0 on Princess Polly. And then took a bit of a risk with this one. I wasn't sure how much I would love it just because it's like kind of simple. It is just this little lace trim with these little ties on the side, and it is just a romper, but I thought this would be really cute with my low ankle Doc Martens with like some little socks and maybe like a shoulder bag. I had a vision for it, so I picked it up anyway. It's a little more simple than I like usually go for, but I think I'm going to end up liking it a lot. I haven't worn it yet, but I think it'll look pretty. And then this goes down like pretty low, and the lace just kind of like adds a little something. But yeah, the ties on the side are really cute. Next up, this one I'm really, really excited about. I hopped on that little corset trend that everyone's been on. Well, don't embarrass me. Anyways, I've been wanting to go to the thrift store a lot extra lately because of this like lingerie inspired corset bustier top trend, because I know that the thrift store has like so many cool ones for cheap, but due to quarantine and all that business, I can't go to the thrift store. So Princess Polly really came through for me with this one. This one doesn't have like the covers for like the full bustier top. It's like the one that's underwire below your boobs. So you wear it with like cute little tanks and t-shirts underneath, which I think is really fun. I even tried it on with the shirt I'm wearing now, and I actually really liked it. So I have been enjoying this one. I'm still having fun like playing around with how to style it, but it just has these little like clasp closures, and it's just white and nice, and it's very good quality. I will say there isn't much of a stretch to it. It's not very stretchy, so if you're concerned, I would probably size up, but this one ended up fitting me perfectly, so I'm glad about that. But I'm really excited about this one. Probably one of my favorite pieces in this haul. Just stoked on it. Next is this little very cottagecore picnic vibe dress, which has been my chosen aesthetic recently, and I think it's so pretty. It's just this little white dress. It kind of flares out at the bottom with these little puff sleeves. I prefer to wear these off the shoulder, just like on my body type. I think it's more flattering. I feel like I have such a small frame that these like puffy shoulders can be a little bit overwhelming, but luckily it can be worn like that, or you can wear it like off the shoulder bunched up, which I think both are very cute. And then it just has like a zipper going down the back, and it's very fitted and nice on the waist. These little buttons are just decorative, but very cute nonetheless, and they're covered in the same fabric, so they mostly blend in, but they're like a nice little touch. And this one fits me super well. I'm excited to style this. I think it would be so cute on a picnic. And yeah, I'm obsessed. Dresses like this are so on trend right now. I probably have like 40 that look very similar, but I can't stop, and I won't stop. Next, I have a t-shirt. I got this one with the purpose to wear underneath that bustier top, and it looks very cute, but I also like it a lot by itself anyways. Plain white t-shirts are just really nice to have. And this one has a few little butterfly embroidery decals, and it's super tight and fitted, so if you wanted it to be like a little bit of a looser t-shirt, you could totally size up, but I got mine in US 0 and it fits like snug tight in like the best way. So it just depends on what you're looking for, but this one's super fun and it just looks great with a pair of jeans. And then last for the tops and dresses is this little dress, which I thought about picking up a few times from Princess Polly, and I just never did, but then I decided to pick it up this time, and I was actually so glad that I did. It's been my most worn so far out of this whole haul. I've already taken like 2 Instagram photos in it, and I just think it is the comfiest, cutest, like easiest thing to throw on. But anyway, the fabric is so soft, probably the softest fabric I've literally ever felt in my whole life. In front of the sun, it looks a bit see-through, but so far wearing it, I haven't had an issue. I haven't had to wear anything underneath. It's just this beautiful brown color. I've been wearing it with my low top Doc Martens, and also a pair of white sandals I have look really cute. And also the sleeves flare just a little bit at the ends, which I think is like the cutest touch. And I would size up in this one. I saw a bunch of reviews saying it was a little too short for them, and normally I would order like the smallest size. I ordered a small to medium and it fits me perfectly, and I will say the neck is a little wide, but I prefer it like kind of falling off the shoulder anyway, so I got mine in a small to medium. So I would just be careful with the sizing, maybe read some reviews on and see if anyone is your height, because it could end up too short for you. Moving on, I have one pair of pants and then a couple swimmies to show you, which is really exciting. I love swimsuits. I have also been eyeing this pair of pants for like a few months on Princess Polly and just like never got them. I started picturing outfits with it, with like a white t-shirt, a little shoulder bag, and I was just like, I want them. So I picked them up. They'd even be cute with this top, and they fit like a glove. I got a size 0, I believe. And they fit perfectly on the waist and on the butt, and then they flare out a little bit on your ankles. And they're so cute. I love them with my low top Doc Martens, like I've styled everything else with. But yeah, they're super cute. They look just bomb with a white t-shirt, shoulder bag, and just like a really a cute moment. I love it. Anyways, yeah, I'm obsessed with these. I already wore them once and got a compliment, so compliment on the first time wearing them. I would say that's a pretty good sign. But moving on, I have 2 swimsuits to show you now. And I also have a couple accessories I forgot about. Okay, so I'm gonna save my favorite swimsuit for last, but this one is so stinking cute. It is this one shoulder but 2 straps on the one shoulder, so kind of like this, you'll see in the try on, but it is just this sparkly material. In the sun, this stuff shines like glitter. It is so pretty, and I've been seeing a lot of this fabric around, so I decided to pick up this one. Just super cute. It's a really nice lightweight fabric, and it's lined, and then these are the bottoms, which are a little high cut and just like perfect fit. So cute, and I'm obsessed with this like sparkly material that's been around lately. I have so many bikinis already, but I just can't stop myself. I don't know. This swimsuit, so cute. This one's to die for. I posted it on my Instagram and you all went nuts for it, and understandably it is this little pistachio green color, which is unbelievably on trend right now, probably my favorite color. These are super high cut, so they're really flattering, and then the top is very lingerie inspired, which is the trend we are all living for right now. It has a cute little bow in the center, and then a lace trim right here, and then it's underwire, and I think it is so cute. It fits perfectly. The fabric is so soft, and it's just probably my favorite bikini I own right now. I'm obsessed. I want to be in it all the time. But yeah, wow, like come on, I'm obsessed. Anyways, yeah, this one's so cute. I would love to throw this on with like a pair of jeans, go to the beach. Okay, so we're getting towards the end, sadly, but you know I'll be back with these in a month or 2. I have like 7 videos in a row now that are Princess Polly hauls, and I'm not mad about it. I am gonna start trying to do like vlogs and maybe a Q&A here and there, some other things on my YouTube. I have been slacking so hard on here, but I just want to do everything, and it's hard. I don't know how people upload like every day on here. It's just, YouTube videos are a lot of work, and I'm also trying to grind on TikTok and Instagram and grow like a lot, and my Instagram has been really growing, which is so exciting for me, so you should follow me on there. My handle is Georgia Grace Fits if you don't already. I have plans, so stick around. I'm doing a lot of things, and if you wish I would upload more on here, please follow me on TikTok and Instagram in the meantime, and I will try my best to do it all. But yes, so I have 2 accessories to show you. First is this bucket hat. Bucket hats are my favorite. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me in them a lot. I love them so much. They're perfect for a bad hair day. With my long hair, I will get really greasy up here, and there's no saving it unless I shower, but down here still looks beautiful and perfect. So if I throw on one of these, it just covers it right up. I'm brand spanking new. But yeah, I love this little bandana pattern that's been on everything lately. I've been seeing it on bikinis and all kinds of things, and it is so cute. But I just thought I would pick it up in a bucket hat because I have no patterned bucket hats, and I thought it could really spice up a look. So yeah, I'm really excited about that, and it fits my head perfectly. And I feel like I have a medium-sized head, so do with that information what you will. Last I got a pair, well not a pair, a set, I guess a set of earrings. So 5 pairs of earrings in one little set, which I was super psyched about because I got my doubles and my cartilage pierced like almost 2 months ago, so I'm getting to the point where I can put other jewelry in. So I was really excited to get a pack that had a bunch that I could use. The ones I have in right now have crosses on them, and then these are little hearts, which are my favorite in the whole pair. I mean in the whole pack. That's what it's called, a pack, not a set. A pack of earrings. The hearts are my favorite, but I like them so much that I'm like afraid to wear them. So I haven't worn them yet, but they are my favorite in the whole pack. And then there's roses and little like triangles, and then a little like coin design. And then I have the crosses in. So there's a whole bunch, and you can layer them up. And I just think they're so cute, and it was so cheap for a pack of that many. So I was really excited about those. And that is everything. So sadly this haul is over, but I will try to be back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you liked the pieces that I got. I'm really excited about them. And definitely go shop on Princess Polly. And my code, again, is Georgia20. It's free for you guys to use to save some coin. Thank you again to Princess Polly for always coming through for me and sending me all the cutest pieces. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow my Instagram and my TikTok. All my social media is under Georgia Grace Fits. My Pinterest as well. I'm popping on there lately. Pinterest is my jam. So yeah, definitely go follow me on all those. I will have all the links to everything in this haul in the description below. Is this dark? Can't tell. I will have all the links to everything in the description box below, and that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.